Hey guys, this is Aldridge here. If you guys saw the thumbnail, I'm sure you might be wondering why I did this to my Yeezy. I'm also not sure of what I did. Before we get to the shoe, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos. So, if you guys can read, this is a Lebron 17 box. And if you saw the outsole in the thumbnail, then you might already know what this is. This is the Lebron 17 Titan. And this is in the collaboration with one of the biggest basketball retailers here in the Philippines. And this is one of their designs. Of course, you'll see that it is mostly red, which is something new to what they've been doing. I believe this is the fourth collaboration of Titan with LeBron James. LeBron x Titan collabs are mostly blue. They are called the LeBron Agimats. And surprisingly, this is not called a LeBron Agimat, but this is called a LeBron Titan. Now, it's, something special because it is the first time they've used a red color on LeBron James' sneaker. Because again, they've been using navy blue and gold, although there is still gold here. And when we take closer looks on the sneaker, the upper is mostly knit, and then there's this overlay of, I don't know what material it is, but it is plastered with a lot of designs. The tongue also has this globe. On top it says, "Para sa kadakailaan." Now, behind this gold swoosh here, you'll notice that right behind the swoosh, it says Titan, which is the brand of the collab. And then there's the Titan logos all over. There are other things written on it, which I'm not sure what's the symbol. If you can read the word world on that side, this specific sneaker is designed to be a Manila to the world collab. This is Titan's vision of bringing Manila to the world is brought to life with this specific pair. Now, this is an early release from Titan. That's why there's a magazine here showing their history and how the brand came about. If I take the insoles out, you'll see that it says Manila and the world. And this shoe is specifically marketed as a Manila to the world sneaker. Now, the midsole of the shoe is in the front. It says it's a Nike React technology, which can be seen here at the medial side. And then at the back, as all LeBron 17s are, similar to Air Max 270 bubble. With that in mind, I'm pretty sure that this is another comfortable sneaker, but since it is a LeBron, and as with all LeBron James sneakers, they're pretty much heavy. And this is a low top, so you guys know. So wearing these, it's a little tight because the tongue is connected to the whole upper. So you can't really stretch it out that much. The heel portion of the shoe is also a bit stiff, although you can still bend it a lot. So, wearing it will not be that easy. However, when your feet is already inside, you're bound to get a good game. Why? Because it is quite snug. The lacing system won't really do that much in terms of tightening, but overall the shoe inside is a snug fit, which is something that I really like. So for the outsole, we have this interesting pattern, which I'm not familiar with, but you'll see LeBron's signature here at below the 270 bubble. Hey guys, so let me interrupt the video real quick. So if you guys still don't know, this is a Lebron 17 low from Titan, and they are conducting a giveaway right now. As I post this video, they are still conducting the giveaway until August 22. Now, 10 people will win 10 pairs of Lebron sneakers, one per month starting October. But one lucky winner would also win 22 pairs of sneakers. I believe 11 of those will be Lebrons, but 11 of those, the other half of the 22 would be a sneaker of your own choice. So go ahead and join their giveaway. It's like a big giveaway that Titan is doing, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. This is in no way sponsored by them, because if you guys can see my subscriber count, it's like 75 people. You better subscribe. Anyway, let's get back to the video. But of course, if I just traded my Yeezys straight with these, I would be on the very losing end. So fortunately, the other guy had another pair but I'm not gonna, wear it. I'm not gonna rock it. It's a Jordan 1 low, and this is the court purple black. And in the Philippines, Jordan 1 lows are like really, really famous. I mean, they're somewhat hyped, but depending on the colorways, of course. If you're familiar with the previous court purple lows, the toe box and this middle portion here is not actually black. It is white, and I believe this is also black or purple. This is the cheaper version of the Jordan 1 lows, because in a previous video I've shown you guys a Jordan 1 low SE, and that one had a suede back portion. But this one is all leather, and the tongue is, I don't know what material that is. So yeah, the violet and the black parts are all leather. You have the number 23 as a lace lock here, and it doesn't have the extra laces that the SE version has. You still have that Air Jordan wing logo at the back, and the outsole is purple because it is the court purple black. So I traded one of my Yeezys for these two sneakers because I've been looking for these. So hey guys, after the video, after editing, I realized I did not do any outro, so here it is. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like and hit that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next one.